Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming you're signed into an administrator account and checking your Windows 11 build. This ensures compatibility with removal tools. Once done, back up personal files and note any Norton product keys in case you reinstall later. Now open Settings and navigate to Apps Installed Apps. Locate Norton and choose Uninstall. This begins the built-in removal. If a built-in uninstall fails, don't stop. There's a dedicated removal tool coming next to clean residual components. You're going to use Norton's specialized removal utility to clear stubborn files and registry entries. First, download the Norton Remove and Reapply tool while signed in as admin, then reboot into safe mode to reduce running services and file locks. Run the tool, follow prompts to remove product entries, and let it complete. This removes drivers, services, and scheduled tasks. After it finishes, restart normally and inspect programs and features, and Task Manager to confirm no Norton processes remain. Finish by deleting leftover Norton folders in C, \program files, C, \program data, and your user app data. Use disk cleanup to remove temporary installer files. Once done, look at startup entries with auto runs or msconfig to remove any remaining Norton auto starts, and check the registry only if comfortable, export keys before editing. If Windows still reports Norton or uninstallation errors, reinstall the same Norton version and immediately rerun the removal tool.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.